Okay, so let us take this aside here. Okay, unhappy customers leaves. Okay, we have this also now, and then we have the third one, that is customer gets service. Okay, so customer gets service. So here we have customer gets service. Let us make this somewhat bigger, and then worker helped customer. Okay, so here it is, worker helps, right, customer. So here is our all process being created and renamed, right? Let us also adjust it. You just need to click and drag it. Okay, so now we have all the things being renamed, right? So now what we're going to do is, in the resource that a service does, we are going to basically create a resource shape. We are going to bring in the resource. Here is our resource, right? And then the resource is going to be renamed to resource service desk. Okay, resource service desk. Okay, let me make this bigger so it's visible. So we have resource service desk. Okay, then what we're going to do is source customer arrival is what we need. Okay, because the customers are arriving. So let us create a source that is in their arrival source. Okay, and we are going to rename this to customer arrival. Okay, customer arrival, we have it here, right? Then acquire get service. Double clicking, and we are going to do what? Acquire resource. Okay, or acquire service. Let us have that. And here we are going to rename this acquire, right, get service. So we haven't yet started, putting the properties of this process flow, but we have started renaming and bringing in the objects. Just look at this, how we're bringing it out and what is the reason for bringing those out, right? So resource is done. Customer arrives and waits in line. This is what we are having. It's also done. So now what we need to do is, so we also need to have unhappy customers, right? We have it on the right side. So let us create a sink in here. Okay, and rename that sink as unhappy customers. Unhappy customers. Okay, so we have unhappy customers. Here is a sinking out here. Okay, yes, unhappy customers we are having now. Let us look at what we need to do more, right? So then we need to have a delay time and service time. So let me make a delay time, right? Let us take a delay time here because we are going to need the service operational, right? So this is going to be our service time. We haven't changed any of the properties as of, guys. Okay, and then we need to have release resource, right? And that is basically nothing but the end of the service, right? End service. So here we are, service. We are ending up the service, right? Let me make that bigger. Okay, we are making it end service, and then we have sync happy customers. We have sync, and for that sync, we are going to have the happy customers. Let us make this happy customers. Okay, so we have the happy customers out here. Sync happy customers. Okay, we have these stuffs in here now. This was our old process flow, right? We have brought all those equipments out in here. Now let us look at how can we add additional process flow activities in here so that we can control our 3D environment from here, right? So now we have to create similar things out there. what we are going to do now is we are going to create another resource. Let me copy the same resource down here. Okay, so here is our resource, and this is now the desk workers. Okay, desk worker, desk workers. We have this desk worker out here. Okay, and then what we are going to have is we are going to have, in the customer arrives, we are basically going to create an object. Okay, so we are going to create an object, and this create an object is here. Okay, create an object. Let us make it in the middle. Okay, between these two things. Okay, you can have that dragged out there. And then what we're going to do is, for that create object, we're going to drop it in the customer arrives and waits in line shape, and between the source and the acquire, right? Now what we're going to do, we are going to continue to insert create object activity, and before the acquire, we're going to have the things done. Okay, so let us do that. So create object we have done, right? Now what we're going to do is, we are basically going to add up more, different process flow entities. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to have a travel. Okay, travel activity. After acquiring, we are going to travel. Okay, and then we are going to move the object. Okay, below that. So create object we renamed to the create object. Okay, so basically create object, you need to have that as a customer. We're going to create the customers here. Okay, then travel, what we're going to do is, we are going to customer to waiting line, we are going to travel. So customer to, okay, customer to waiting line, customer to waiting line. And then we have the move object, right? This is the move object. We need to rename this move object, move customers into line. Okay, move customers into line. So we are going to create the customers, and then we are going to move it into the thing, and then acquire get service desk. Okay, so basically this is how we are going to look into. So let us move this travel inside. So what we are going to do, we are going to create the object. We are asking the customers to travel to the waiting line, then we are moving the customers, and then we are going to get service desk. Okay, we are asking it to acquire the service desk. Alright, so now in the unhappy customer leaves, what we are going to do, before sync, we are going to bring in something. Okay, so we are going to have a move object. Okay, we are putting that. Then we are going to have a travel object. Okay, and then what we are going to do is we are going to have the destroy object. Okay, so travel would be after move. Okay, when I'll rename that, you'll understand why and how it is going to basically work. Okay, so destroy object, and then it goes into this thing. Okay, now come to the move object, and here what you're going to do is you're going to rename this as move customer to unhappy customers. Okay, so here it is. We're going to move that to unhappy customers. In the travel, if you look at, we are going to do the travel customer to unhappy customers. Okay, travel customer to unhappy customers, and destroy unhappy customer leaves. Destroy object is nothing but unhappy customer leaves. Unhappy customers leaves. Okay.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here, and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is, an overall high level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.